Have you noticed your hearing becoming less clear recently? Impacted earwax is a common cause of temporary hearing changes and tinnitus. At Hearing First East Finchley, our audiologists provide professional microsuction earwax removal to safely restore your hearing clarity. Microsuction uses gentle suction and specialist illumination to remove wax precisely and comfortably, avoiding the risks of traditional syringing. We regularly help patients experiencing blocked ears, ringing, and muffled hearing, including those whose hearing aids are underperforming. One thing we strongly advise against is using cotton buds at home. These often push wax deeper and increase the blockage. Our East Finchley clinic inside Cootes Pharmacy provides a comfortable environment using ENT-grade equipment and sterile instruments. Most patients notice an immediate improvement after treatment, describing the microsuction process as quick, gentle, and highly effective. If your ears feel blocked, book your appointment with Hearing First East Finchley today and experience safe professional care.